Are you limited on space for your chemical metering pump? Have you ever wanted the flexibility to change the inlet and outlet direction without hassle? Now we have a solution just for you. Introducing the new elbow connections for our CD1 and MD1 multi-diaphragm metering pumps. We have seen many pumps installed in tight, confined spaces, and our new elbow connections will save you space and allow you to position the suction and discharge plumbing at a 90-degree orientation directly from the CD1 and MD1 manifold. Our new elbow connections are available in half-inch male NPT fittings, half-inch hose barb, 3/8 tube compression fittings. And now you can order your pump with these elbow connectors pre-installed. Or if you have an existing pump, we offer kits to upgrade your pump in the field for your convenience. These kits include 2 adapters, 2 union nuts, and 2 O-rings. In addition, we also offer straight connections for the CD1 MD1 diaphragm metering pumps. We have half-inch male NPT, half-inch hose barb, 3/8 tube compression, and quick disconnect fittings. Now you have better control and flexibility with the direction of your suction and discharge plumbing on our multi-diaphragm metering pumps. At Blue White, we are simplifying chemical feed and fluid measurement through innovation. And for more information, please visit us at blue-white.com.